In this video, we'll demonstrate how to delete your location history in Google Maps. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to delete location history in Google Maps, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's start by opening Google Maps and tapping on your profile located at the top right corner of the screen. Within your profile settings, you'll find Your Data in Maps. Tap on it to access your information, including your location history. If your location history is turned on, you'll see an option to view and delete your activity. By tapping on See and Delete Activity, you'll be presented with your location history. Here, you can select specific dates or time frames, such as today, yesterday, or a week ago, and remove those locations from your history. Another way to manage your location history is by going back to your profile, accessing Your Data in Maps, and scrolling down to the Location History section. Here, you have options to turn it off entirely, preventing the tracking of your location history. Additionally, you can opt for auto deletion. By selecting Auto Delete, you can set a time frame, say every 3 months, to automatically remove anything older than the specified duration. Remember, you have control over whether your location information is tracked, automatically deleted, or manually deleted whenever needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more insightful content. For additional tutorials and informative content, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.